Hi guys, we are in the heartland of East Lancashire in the mill town Nelson, and we've come to visit Carradice, who we are collaborating with on our bag collection. We're going to go inside and have a look at how you make a bag. Let's go and have a look. Busy week. Okay. So we're here with David, who's going to give us a little history lesson on Carradice, where Carradice is, what is it, what do you do here? So yeah, kick us off, David.
Yeah, well, Carradice has been here in Nelson since like 1930 something. Started by Wilf Carradice, just over there really, in a terraced house in his mother's back room. Started making canvas saddlebags for his mates that he worked with in the mill. Then they'd go out on Sundays, and then he got asked to make more bags, and eventually had to give up his job in the mill, do it full time, and then got premises and grew on from there. Making camping gear, tents. So Wilf had it until mid-70s, and then my parents, who were keen cyclists, they took it on. But all the way through, they've used wax canvas. So that was in the 70s, and then I came in about 30 years ago and took over from there.
So we're here with Paul. Tell us about what you're getting up to over this side.
Right, well, I'm basically cutting them out before they go to sewing. So I put the big roll of stuff on the rollers down there, pull it across, draw up the pattern, draw around the patterns with a white pencil, put the drill holes in, cut them out with the Eastman.
Nice.
And then it's across to the sewers.
Easy peasy. Tell us what you do here, Sue, because you are famous to me. Because all my other Carradice bags have got your name in.
Well, you know, you've either got it or you haven't you? I've got partly done some pieces. So I'm making a LANX Made rucksack, is what we're making. So this is the front. It's got a leather wear patch on and a pocket, 2 buckles. This is the lid. So the lid has got another badge on and 2 fastening studs. We're going to go on the binder with this and use this binding.
Yeah.
And then we're going to start to build the bag. So I'm done. So now the bag needs to go down there, and he'll show you what he does next.
First thing I'm going to do, I've got to put my name on it because we've all got to sign it. So it comes back to whoever gets it right or wrong. To sign it, then I'm going to turn it. Now I have a little preordained thing where I'm going to mark it to put my press studs in. So, now I'm doing this inside one first. Put it in. Put it in there. And go over the top. And basically, that's me done.
Oh! Hello. Look at this. Beautiful. All right, see you in a bit.